Yo, what's good, guys? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install Kyros Weapon Pack V1. So obviously, the first thing you're gonna want to do is buy the script. Make sure you logged in to your 5M account through Tebex, the one that obviously owns all your assets. So obviously, you're just want to buy whatever pack you want, and then once you buy it, it should pop up in your granted assets in your Keymaster account. You're just gonna search Kyros and it should pop up. Also, keep in mind the way you install the subscription packs, and if you buy it like just the pack on its own and you buy the full rights to it, the installation process is the exact same. So obviously the first thing you want to do is download it. I already have it downloaded, so I won't do that again. But once you do download it, you're just going to want to open the file, and then you're going to want to open your server files as well. So I'll go ahead and open my server files. And I already put it in here, but the way that I have it set up, I'll do it again for you guys, is I just create a new folder inside of my resources folder called weapons. And to make sure that the server is going to start it, I just add the whole category ensure weapons. That way all my weapons packs are going to automatically start. So once you do that, just go ahead, close it, and then open the weapons, and you're just going to drag your weapons pack inside of that folder. And this should go by fairly quickly. You can go ahead and close the zip file as you won't need it anymore. Now what you want to do is you just want to open this. And you can right click, open the images in a new file. And then once you open the images, you're going to want to open your server files and locate where you have your inventory installed. So I'll go ahead and go to my server files, inventory, aux inventory, web, and then images. You're going to open all the images and just highlight them all and then just drag them inside of your images folder. And then you can go ahead and close the images folder. In our inventory, we're going to go back and we're going to open the data folder and then weapons.lua. And then once you open this, you're going to want to head to your weapons pack, install files, and then aux installation. And now we already did step one, which was install the images. Now we need to add the weapons. So you're going to want to copy. I like copying this so my weapons.lua stays organized. So you can copy from line 69 all the way down to 173. Make sure you're copying the comma, and also make sure you're not copying these last three little symbols right here. So we're going to go ahead and copy all of these weapons. Go back to weapons.lua. After this bracket, you're just going to click enter, and then you're going to paste in all the weapons. And if everything was done correctly, it's going to look how it did before you added the weapons. Your colors are going to look different than mine, but as long as it looks the same as how it did before you added them, you'll be fine. You can go ahead and save the file. Do not close it because we are going to come back to it. You're going to go back to the installation guide. I'm going to scroll down. And now for the attachments, this is where you have to pay attention because some people add duplicates and then the weapons attachments just won't work. So what you want to do is you just want to copy the attachment name, go back to your weapons.lua and click Control F, and you'll get a little search bar. And then you're just going to want to paste the attachment. And as you can see, we already have it here with a couple attachments. All what you're going to want to do is copy the attachments that are included with your pack. You don't want to copy all of them because, for example, these are already here. And if you duplicate them, your attachments will stop working. So you're just going to want to copy the ones that are included with your pack. And to know which ones are included, you'll just see dash dash and then the version number. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. I'm just going to want to click enter after the comma and paste it in. And you're going to want to go ahead and do that. The same thing for all your other attachments. Scroll down, copy only the one provided for the pack, paste it in. And we're going to go back to the extended clip. We're going to copy all this right here, copy these, and same thing, just click enter and paste it inside of the components. Same thing for this one. It's all the same process for all the attachments. Just make sure that at the end of all of your component names that there is a comma. If one of them does not have a comma and it's not the last one, the attachments also won't work. So just make sure that they all have a comma. And we're gonna go ahead and copy just V1 and paste it in right there. And now V1 has ammo for the paintball gun, so you're just going to want to copy the ammo, and then you're going to go all the way to the bottom until you see ammo names. Now you see ammo names, you're just going to go to the very top. After the purple bracket, you're going to click enter and just paste in the new ammo type. And now we're just going to save this, and that's it. Now you can just close this. You can close your weapons.lua. And now all you want to do is restart your server. So we're going to go ahead and log into txadmin, continue, and just restart. You know the weapon pack is running in your server once you get this in your live console. If you do not get this in your live console, just head over to resources and search for Kyros, and then make sure that it says restart and stop and not start. If it says start, you can click the start button and you should get this to pop up. And then now all you're going to want to do is open up 5M and load into your server. And I'll be right back as soon as I'm loaded in. Okay, once we're loaded in, I'm just going to choose our character. Wait for everything to load in. And now just want to spawn in one of the weapons. To find the weapon spawn codes, you're just going to go back to your weapon pack, and there's a spawncodes.md. Just want to double click it, and we'll just spawn in this Glock right here. /give item, my ID, the item name, and I only want one of them. As you can see, it went right into my inventory. You can either drag it to use and it'll take out, or if you click tab, just look at what number it's on. You can just click 1 on your keyboard and it'll also pull out. And we're just going to give ourselves ammo for it. So give item, my ID, ammo -9, and I would just give myself 50 bullets. And just click R to reload it, and there you go. And now we have Kyros weapon packs working in our server, and for the attachments, it's the same thing. So we'll just head over to our weapons.lua just to see which one does work with it. So we're just going to get the gun name. And for example, we can get a flashlight on it. So we'll just copy the flashlight. We'll do give item and give ourselves a flashlight. And then we can just drag it to use, or same thing with pulling out the gun. You can just click the number on it, and there you go. And put the flashlight on it for us. You guys can see the flashlight working, and it's also on the gun. And yeah, that's how you get Kyros weapon packs into your server. I hope I explained this better. I hope I made it easier for you guys. The install guide is straightforward, but people tend to have issues with it somehow. So I just thought I'd make this video for you guys to help. So I hope you guys did find this video interesting and helpful, and if you did, please like the video. It just helps me with the algorithm to get my help out there to more people. So if you guys did find this video helpful, just check out my page. I have multiple videos on other scripts as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.